Hello students, welcome you to the online class of computer. I am teaching the 6th class computer and the book is all about computer. So the first chapter is the computer system. There we had studied about classification of computers, then the computer system. Today we will discuss about software. So what is a software? Software is a set of instruction, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks, opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspects of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts, and programs that run a device. As per the book, software refers to the set of instructions that directs the computer hardware to perform specific tasks. It cannot be seen or touched. Computer software is usually classified into two categories: system software, application software. System software. System software consists of the programs that control the operations of the computer system. It helps to manage and run the computer hardware in an efficient manner. It can be further classified into three categories: operating system, utility software, language processor. So what is the operating system? An operating system is the basic software installed in a computer. A computer is a useless without an operating system. It manages all the other software installed in the computer. It allows optimum use of all resources of the computer system, such as memory and hard disk. Microsoft Windows, Mac operating system and Linux are examples of operating system. So these are the examples of operating system. So what is a utility software? Utility software is system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize or maintain a computer. Or a utility software is a system software that enables a computer to work efficiently and perform its task better. Some examples of utility software are: it protects antivirus software. It protects a computer against harmful virus attacks. Some examples of antivirus software are Norton Security, McAfee Secure and AVG Antivirus. Disk defragmenter. It combines all the parts of a file scattered at different locations on a disk and places them at one location on the disk. Some examples of disk defragmenter are Defraggler, Disk Keeper, and MyDefrag. It creates backup utility software. It creates a duplicate copy of data from a hard disk onto another storage device, such as a DVD, pen drive, or NAS. Some examples of backup utility software are Acronis, TrueImage, Nova Backup, and Norton Ghost. Compression utility software. It compresses large files into small files. Some examples of compression utility software are WinZip, WinRAR, and 7-Zip. So these are the examples of utility software. Now we'll discuss language. So what is a language processor? A computer understands only machine language in the form of binary digits. A language processor is a system software that converts a program into machine language for a computer to execute it. Some examples of language processor are assembler, compiler, and interpreter. What is application software? An application software is used to perform a specific set of tasks. Different application software are used for different purposes. Application software can be further classified into general purpose application software, customized application software. What is a general purpose application software? General purpose application software is software used to perform a broad variety of tasks and is useful to nearly all computer users, such as word processing, graphics, editing, and spreadsheet applications. Word processing software. It is used to create text-based documents such as letters, reports, notes, and stories. Some examples of word processing software are Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, and WordPerfect. Spreadsheet software. It is used to enter and manage data in a worksheet made up of rows and columns. Some examples of spreadsheet software are Microsoft Excel, LibreOffice Calc, and GNumeric. DBMS software. It is used to create and manage databases. It lets you add new data, search for data, and modify and delete existing data in the database. Some examples of DBMS software are Microsoft Access, Oracle, and The fourth one is DTP software. It is used to design documents such as brochures, magazines, newsletters, and posters. Some examples of DTP software are Microsoft Publisher, Adobe InDesign, and Serif Page Plus. Now the last one is presentation software. It is used to create and design presentations in the form of slideshows, animations, and video clips. Some examples of presentation software are Microsoft PowerPoint, LibreOffice Impress, and Keynote. And the next one is graphics software. It is used to create and edit images such as photographs, posters, charts, and logos. Some examples of graphics software are Microsoft Paint, Adobe Photoshop, and GIMP. Multimedia software. It is used to create interactive applications by using text, images, audio, video, and animation. Some examples of multimedia software are Scratch, Pivot Animator, Adobe Animate, and Windows Movie Maker. So these are the example of general purpose application software. You might have seen all these things in your computer desktop. So the next one is customized application software. Customized application software is developed according to the requirements and objectives of an organization. It is used to perform a specific set of tasks for the organization. Some examples of customized application software are ticket reservation system, payroll system, and school management system. Open source software. Most software that we use are owned by a company or an individual. We have to pay for this software and cannot make any modification in them. Open source software is usually provided free to the user along with the source code. Users also receive a license for the software which allows them to share the software, modify it, and redistribute it to others. Google Chrome web browser, Android operating system, Mozilla Thunderbird email software, Apache HTTP server, web server, LibreOffice office application package, GIMP image editing software, and MySQL database software are some popular open source software. The Open Source Initiative is an organization dedicated to promote open source software. So we have finished the first chapter of computer. We had discussed about the classification of computers, and we had studied about the computer system, the input devices, the output devices, the special type of output devices and input devices. Then we had studied software. Then we have studied system software, operating system, how language processors and application software, general purpose application software, open source software, all the things we had studied. So thank you.